My dear students, welcome back to our channel. Students, in this video, I am sharing BCA 4th semester subject Data Science using Python. Important questions for the year 2025. Students, on screen you may see each unit short and long questions one by one. For short question, write answer half page and include a definition with an example. Based on short question, draw diagram, table, write syntax or formula. For long question, write 3 to 4 sides of pages and include definition, explanation with an example. Based on long question, draw diagram, tables. I hope you understand. For other subject important questions, links are available in description as well as in the comment section. So check out once. I think it will be useful to you. All the best students for your upcoming exams. Next, students, I am doing hard work for your success and spending my time to create videos, but I am not getting enough views. So support this channel by paying your desired amount by scanning this QR code. Otherwise, you can pay with the payment link which is available in both description as well as comment section. Thank you. Students, this channel provides genuine official academic updates, various courses, syllabus, important questions, model question papers, previous question papers and so on. So do subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. Like and share this video with your friends.